Hello students, welcome to our today practical session. In our today practical session, we have learned how to start Microsoft Excel. So dear student, first of all, we have to click on start button, then click on Microsoft Office, and after that we have click on Microsoft Excel. Now dear students, in our today session, we have learned how to apply formula in Excel and also how to make charts. So dear students, for this, first of all, I am considering two columns. First column is containing marks 1 and the second column containing marks 2. Now I am entering marks 1. Here I am considering few marks just like 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 up to 50. Then dear students, in the second column again I am considering marks 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. So these are my two columns. Now dear students, I am performing first of all addition operation, then subtraction operation, after that multiplication operation, and at last division operation. So here I am performing addition operation, add, then subtraction, after that multiplication, and at last division operation. Now dear students, to apply formula, first of all I am select this cell. Now to start formula I am writing equal to sign, bracket start. Now first of all I am selecting the cell which contain the first value for addition. So I am selecting 45 plus second cell which contains second value 33, and now I am closing the bracket. After this you can see our formula is applied for addition. Now dear students, here I can use drag and fill editing fill option. So you can see with this option I can apply this formula for all the rows. So here addition is performed. Similarly, I can apply the formula for subtraction. So to apply the formula for subtraction, first of all I can select the cell, then I can type equal to sign, bracket start, and now I am selecting our first number minus, now I am selecting the cell which contains second number, bracket close. After this you can see our numbers are subtracted. Similarly again I can use drag and fill option and apply this formula for all the rows. You can see here subtraction is performed. Similarly I can perform multiplication operation, select the cell, apply the formula, equal to sign, bracket start, first number which you want to multiply, then we can select the cell that contains second number, bracket close, and multiplication is performed. Now again drag and fill. With the help of this, the multiplication operation is performed on all the rows, such like this. Similarly, now I can perform division operation. So again, first of all we can select the cell where we want to perform division operation. Now we are selecting the cell which contain the first number, equal to bracket, first cell, division symbol, then second cell and bracket close. After this you can see our division operation is performed. Now I can perform drag and fill, such like this. Now dear students, we can learn regarding how to make chart. So dear students, you can know to make a chart we have required few coordinates. So here I can select two columns. One is as x coordinate and second one is as y coordinate. So you can see here I can select addition column, column number C and column E to make a chart. Now I am selecting column C and also I am selecting column E. You can see after this I can click on insert option. You can see here we have multiple types of charts. So here I am selecting var chart. Such like this. Here I am selecting var chart. Now you can see our var chart is ready in Excel sheet. So dear students, in our today's session we have learned how to apply formula in Excel and how to make a chart in Excel. So thank you for joining our today's session.